After I finished high school, worked in the construction industry as a labourer, rigger and crane operator for 12 years. The industry was a bit unstable, so I looked for other options. I like making stuff and that. I was interested in mechanics a lot, so I did a pre-app in fitting and machining, and I spoke to the lecturers there. They said this is one of the best places here. Yeah, so at the moment I work at the mobile mining equipment section, building all the reduction gearboxes and all the spindle assemblies. Stability, I'd say, like you guaranteed work, pretty much as much work as you like.
I had a look around. I always kind of wanted to do a hands-on job, and I found fitting and machining. I thought it was quite interesting, so after that I signed up for a pre-apprenticeship. From there did some work experience, then I came here and they offered me a job. Manufacturing, basically anything mechanical, basically anything that moves. Machining has some role in it. We do defence work here. I know we're doing stuff for the Collins class submarines, and definitely by doing this apprenticeship I've learned a lot in how parts are manufactured. There's so many unique things that are made in the defence industry, and it's not every day that you see people who make planes or jets or even submarines. You can look at these things also and you can say, oh, I had a part in making that, and it makes you feel kind of proud of yourself.